Hey guys, how are you YouTubers? Today what we have is a 52-inch Winchester something I got off Facebook along with a Booker, Hintonbury Booker switch. I thought it was a landmark because it's switched out that's upside down of Bookers, but no, it's Bookers. But yeah, well, usually of the Bookers and we'll talk about it with steps on the family. But the family focusing on right now is a 52-inch Winchester system fan. And yeah, didn't come with my bracket, so it's on this one. Carries up there by one screw, because you ain't really bracket for this. And there's way. I don't know why it does what it does. Clean the gold box. The gold box is a little bit dirty. If it dry off. Bridge like crack. I fixed them, but they couldn't. Damn. Try to go. Since I've been in the back most week. You will see this weighs like a bitch on like a pussy. I mean, gee, but swim pretty good. It's swim pretty fucking good. Took a friend a long time. And no, the dama's not loose. Stuff. Brackets, not the right mind breaking. My bracket's tight, trust me. So it's just what it is. It's the worst volley speed. Me and Bailey like doesn't really want to have those a little bit right now. It's wicked sweet. We're gonna be on the hot ones for one. I haven't paid attention 2 minutes on my phone. I bought those balls and they had 2 CFOs and 1 clear. But a couple was dead and CFOs weren't that great. It's just kind of wallet size sockets, so I was supposed to CFOs because not to me. Candelabra says CFOs I've seen. I've seen before, it's not common. That's an adorable wire. Oh, I had to add a little extension here so it don't match. This was just way him was clipped up there, but it's harder. I had to take the glove off. And it would be a bitch, but do the glove, put it on, it says, but extension input on it really should be. It looks good. It was a longer video for me. Full pop. It's actually bruised. Look at my mama hunting right to my boy. There's been hunting. Which, by the way, I dropped the hunting. I took a screw out and I just fell. It was weird. Luckily, there's no damage. One of the seeds kind of broke, but it's still usable. No light bulbs broke though. Speed fans too. Bridger got some fish. Oh, shoot you for the way, man. Check. And now, be right back. Alright, it stopped. So I'll show you this. This way is a pussy off again. Oh, shit, dude. You don't go spin, it's not the way I turn the way. It's something to do with the thing that holds the globe. I can't do that. Too. Okay. So one more thing to test though, by the way. You always me with this. It's similar to my right texture to machine MXL. I don't know if it's MXL, but I know it's one you see. This one was it can flash mine was cutting. The only way I flashed mine MXL was have a bucket. It's full power. So anyway, so she gets a close up. Wow. Yeah, I cut myself on glass, so don't mind my bandies. So this came with it. I won't of course show these nothing. That's a stitch and it's all a different color. Go inside it, these are different colors. I don't give a fuck, it's just welcome. A blaze, it's beautiful. Oh, it's a little dusty. See, I can't zoom it not there away. I can't do this. Is Pono P.O. Engel. Fuck. It's a Jaguar. What's the. I'll go over here for you guys. So I'm moving chill. I gotta get over 2 hands. So I'll have good balance. So when I was the decode my balance. Say the goal one more time. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video, and good night, have a good night's sleep. Bye.